Hello guys, welcome to Bud of Knowledge. In this video, we'll be discussing the pressure exerted by liquids. The pressure exerted by liquids, just like solids, liquids also exert pressure on the base due to their weight. Liquids also exert pressure on the walls of the container in which they are kept enclosed. Also, the liquid pressure varies with depth. The pressure exerted at different points at the same depth is equal. So let's perform an activity to demonstrate that liquid pressure varies with pressure. In a cylindrical container, drill some holes along its side at different heights from the base. Close the holes with an adhesive tape. Pour water into the container and open all the holes at the same time. Water flowing out from the hole at the top hits the ground at the least distance from the bottom of the container. Water from the hole at the bottom hits the ground farthest from the bottom of the container. This shows that liquid pressure increases with the increasing depth from the top surface of liquids. Let us perform an activity to demonstrate that liquid exerts equal pressure at the same depth. Take a cylindrical container. Drill some holes all around the container at the same distance from the bottom. Close the holes with an adhesive tape. Now, fill the container with water and pull out the adhesive tapes simultaneously. What do you observe? Water coming out of all the holes falling at the same distance from the container. This shows that a liquid exerts equal pressure at the same depth. Measurement of liquid pressure. Liquid pressure can be measured using a simple device called a manometer. Manometer liquid pressure can be measured using a manometer. It consists of a U-shaped, transparent glass tube that is partially filled with water. One end of the U-tube is connected to a rubber tube whose free end is fitted with a funnel. At the open end of the funnel, a stretched rubber film is attached. When you gently apply pressure on the rubber film with your palm, you will find that a difference in water level is created in the tube. This difference in the levels in the U-tube is a measure of the pressure applied by your palm. If you immerse the funnel into a bucket of water, you will see the difference in the water level in the U-tube. The deeper you immerse it, the greater will be the difference in the water level. That means liquid pressure increases with depth. Implications of liquid pressure. Deep-sea divers need to wear specially designed suits. These suits are made of extremely strong materials that can withstand the enormous liquid pressure at great depth. In submarines, the hulls have to be specially strengthened to withstand the liquid pressure at great depth. The bottom of a dam is made thicker than its top. This is done to withstand the large liquid pressure at the bottom of a dam. So, guys, that's all for today. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. Do like, comment, and share my videos with your favorite ones.